Today is 19th March 2026 and I'm documenting this because tomorrow, 20th March 2026, I'm gonna swim my first ever swimathon and I'm very excited. So I'll be swimming for 2.5 kilometers tomorrow. I'm planning to complete this within an hour, and if you would have asked me 2 weeks ago, I would have said I'd at least in 1.5 hours, but I'm now a little bit more confident because last week I tried to swim more lengths than what I usually used to swim and more continuously. So I'm pretty excited for tomorrow. So I'll try and to not take many breaks. So what I had earlier planned was to swim in 5 sets, like 500 meters a break, 500 meters a break. But now what I'm planning for tomorrow is just take a break in between, like to swim a kilometer, take a break, then the other 1500 in a single stretch, or maybe a 1500 first, then 1000 meters in a single stretch, and maybe pace it a little more the next 1000 meters, or maybe I'll take one break at least so that I get some rest, maybe a minute break, or I don't know, maybe the adrenaline will work tomorrow and I don't need a break.
हराएगा शेर सिंह नाणा को बोल हराएगा शेर सिंह नाणा को
Let's hope for the best. I'm very excited. I just bought these 1 second bananas for the race day tomorrow. These look very ready to eat right now. I just hope that until the morning they are good and they don't get spoiled the night. So it's almost 7 p.m. right now, and I'm planning to go to sleep so that I'm well rested for tomorrow. I have to wake up at 5 so that I can eat my bananas in the morning at 5 and get some enough time to digest them and get the energy. My race starts at 7, so I'll reach there by 7, and I'll have no spectators for me, but I'll have me, but I'll enjoy. So this is my first time, so I'm very excited. So it's an indoor swimathon. So we're gonna swim in a pool. I don't know how they're gonna time us or how they're gonna keep the track, but so it's a 25-meter pool, and I'm going to swim 2.5 kilometers. So that's basically around 100 laps, 100 lengths of the pool, like 200 laps. I think they're just gonna counter laps. They're gonna be lane counters. But I don't know. First, I thought that we're gonna have chips in our caps, and I don't know why I thought that, but maybe that's how it happens in open water swim. I don't know, but I haven't received any package or any cap so that I wear tomorrow for the timings. So I'm assuming that they're gonna count the lanes. So I'm gonna take you with me and stay tuned. Let's complete this race within an hour.
A few hours later.
Good morning. So it's 5:30 a.m. now. पूरी रात नींद नहीं है और अब आ रही है. But cannot sleep now. Literally मैं लेटा रहा हूँ पूरी रात और नींद नहीं आई. Time for the bananas. Thankfully खाने लायक हैं, अभी इतने खराब नहीं हुए. And the thing is कि मैंने रात को ही खरीदे हैं, फिर भी मैंने ऐसे खरीदे. मैंने सोचा था कि चलो एकदम रेडी टू ईट खरीदते हैं, बट ज़्यादा ही रेडी टू ईट थे कि, बट thankfully it's all good. Taste test. Very nice. The best you could have. I mean, इसके next stage तो खराब ही होता, but this is the best before it gets bad. I mean, spoiled. I mean, best. Wow. No spot, nothing, and very tasty. I think I'll eat 3 now and save one for after the swim. Because we need the energy. मेरा तो मेरी पेट भरी है, तो stop at 2 for now. Because you don't want to overeat before your swim. And इसलिए मैं जल्दी उठा 5 बजे कि मैं केले खा सकूँ. And I have some time left between my swim and the kelas. Perfect. So now what will I do? Should I have some protein? One more call I have to make now. But let's see. क्या करूँ मैं अब? 1 घंटा है मेरे पास. सो नहीं सकते दोबारा. Not good because एकदम सो के उठ के स्विमिंग जाऊँगा तो थोड़ी नींद आएगी. Alright, so it's time for what's in my bag swimming edition. Alright, so there's a water bottle क्योंकि swimming करते हुए प्यास लगती है and you can't just drink that. So this for that. This is protein shake for after swim so that I get some fuel after the swim. Alright, towel of course. It's a swimming trunk. That's my goggles. Wait. Wait. Yeah, they look good. मेहरबान हुआ रब. All the rest like this. That's body butter for after the swim because your skin gets dry. Ooh, that's my cold cap. Then there are one more goggles just in case वो इनको कुछ हो ना जाए, जिनको कुछ ना हो. Because इसमें ना actually sunshade wall है आगे फिर. तो I don't like to wear this in indoor pools. वो फिर बहुत अंधेरा सा लगता है. Oh, that's all. I also need to keep my bananas in it क्योंकि अब I have 2 bananas left for after the swim. They are also needed. But अब नहीं खाना. तो should I also keep this, just for the vibes? रास्ते में drop करते हुए जाऊँगा. बस swim. Should I also post this on Insta? But अब I have recorded the whole thing in the vlog format. ऐसे ही कर दूँगा post. कोई ठीक है. तो let's go. उसके लिए ना मैं इससे ऐसे start करूँगा for the whole thing. What's in my bag? Swimming edition. What's in my bag? Swimathon edition. What's in my bag? Swimming marathon edition. Let's see if it is morning yet. थोड़ी सुबह तो हो गई है guys. It's 6 AM. इतना टाइम काटा था, बाकी भी 15 मिनट का थोड़ा टहल लूँगा, for some good mind freshness, and we are good to go. My bag is packed, and what to do? What next? Nothing next. I'll just put on some good music, go, and normal marathon bhago, if I go for runs, I get to listen to music for like an hour or 2. Swimming में मेरे को 2 घंटे I have to stay in my mind, मतलब मेरे को खुद से बातें करनी है 2 घंटे तक, and I just have to, that's cool, but वो फिर बस मेरे दिमाग में मैं काउंटिंग कर रहा हूँ हर रोज, पता नहीं क्यों, but I'm just counting, and for 2 hours that's a lot of numbers to be counting, but let's see, I'll think of something better this time that keeps me going. I'm shivering. It's not that cold inside, but all the best to me. Very excited. Let's go! It's a rather chilly morning today, or it's just maybe I don't usually get up at this time of the hour in the morning. I feel this to be chilly, but it was a very nice sunny day yesterday, and probably it's gonna be a good day today as well. And so I'm on my way to the pool right now. See you guys at the pool. So I won't be able to record inside, but I'm about to go in. So it's because a little empty right now, maybe I can record. Sharks on. Ready to go. So this is the swimming pool, guys. This is where the swimathon is taking place.
There we go.
So I'm done with the swim, and this is post-swim hair care because chlorine can damage this, and I love my hair. You're already falling. Swim went great. Yeah, पहले ये बताना चाहिए. तो a lot of fun. I saw a lady eating a banana in the pool, but it is important. So I'll have my post-swim banana now, and I'll show you and give you more updates about the race. बहुत मज़ा आया in short. सलाम दोस्तों. तो I had a blast. बहुत मज़ा आया. Now it's time for the post-swim banana. एक मैंने अंदर खा लिया. Remember we saved 2, but now it's time for the other one. So I'll tell you now कि वो होता कैसा है. See, so they had lanes divided, and if you have your own watch, you can tell them, and you can count your own timing on your watch, and they'll write your start time and end time according to your watch. So it shows the distance and the time. Like me, जैसे मेरे पास I didn't have a watch, so they have volunteers. They have volunteers जो कि आपके laps count करते हैं, and they keep taking your laps. तो जैसे मेरे 100 laps थे ऐसे to and fro, तो they counted my laps, and then at the last lap they even tell you. तो last lap मैंने sprint किया. Very happy with my swim. Now feel like मैं और अच्छा कर सकता था, but still very content क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा था. 50 minutes I took, so it was very nice. Good start to the day. It's only 9 a.m. right now, the whole day. I'm also going for Durandar in the evening. Very excited for that. And most probably I'll be going for a good hike tomorrow with Vish. We're going to the Black Mountain. It's very nice and one of the difficult hikes in Belfast. So very excited for that. A good sunny day. Cheers, mate. I'm even more excited now because अब मैं घर जाके पनीर बनाऊंगा बहुत, और I'll get the protein for the day.